Okay, so number one, I copied the formula from my mathematics chart. Okay, second, I need to replace my variables with numbers. Before I do that, I need to label which one is which. Where does it belong? Okay, so I found my prism. Which is 10. For my triangle, I need to find the base and the height. Okay, it's right there in the middle, next to the line, showing the measure of height is 12. Right now I need my base of my triangle. Or length times width. Whichever you're more comfortable with. Sorry, no. I'm thinking of, I just did the notes for rectangular prism. I got confused for a second. Sorry. Use base and height for this. Alright, so now I replace my variables with numbers. I have them all labeled, so it will be easy. I'm changing that 1/2 to become 0.5. All right, now, third, I'm going to solve using order of operations, PEMDAS. Okay, I can see parentheses will be first. All I need to do inside those parentheses is multiply. Okay, my answer is 1,680 meters cubed. All right, and last, my word problem. Miss Granger has 2 triangular prisms, crystal vases that she wants to fill with colored beads. The height of the vase is 1 foot 3 inches. The base measures 8 inches in height, 9 inches at the base. What is the total volume of the vase that can be represented with what equation? Okay, so I need to draw. That will help me. Sorry, I'm not a good drawer. Best of my ability. So, it says there are two. She wants to fill, which means volume. Okay, the height of the vase is 1 foot 3 inches. How many inches equals 1 foot? 12. So I want them all to be in inches since everything else is in inches. Make it bigger. Okay, the bases measure 8 inches in height and 9 inches at the base. Okay, that's talking about the triangle. Okay. My shorthand for triangle, instead of spelling it, I just drew a triangle. Okay, so I have all my labels are already finished because I needed it in order to draw my picture, because that came first before our 3 steps, because it's a word problem and they didn't give you that picture. Okay, so now I can start my steps. Okay, number 1, I need to copy down my formula. All right, number 2, I can replace variables with numbers. I'm going to change that half to become 0.5. Alright, now, third, I solve using the order of operations, PEMDAS. I do my parentheses first, and all that is multiplying. Okay, so my answer is volume is equal to 540 inches cubed. Okay, that was the volume for one shape. So now the question asks for the total volume of both vases. So and it needs to have both. So what do? We have the answer for 1, so we need to times it by 2. Alright, so that would be our answer, 1,080 inches cubed for both vases for the answer to our problem. Okay, remember we have meetings on Zoom at 11, 1:30, and 5:30. I know we had just learned this before school abruptly stopped. So if you need help, join those calls. They will help you. See you later.